Hi, my name's Ollie. I'm in the sales department. We're here today with the 5090GF fruit tractor, ideal for the fruit and vine industry. It's a demo tractor, available for demos or sale right now. So let's have a look around it and see what we think. This machine is available front linkage and PTO ready. We've got two double SCVs for front implement usage and a very handy storage place for your drawbar for the rear. At the rear end we've got three SCVs, PTO shaft, drop down pickup hitch as you'd expect to find on a normal conventional size tractor. We also have variable width 3-point linkage on the bottom arms. This machine is available Autotrack Ready from Farol Ltd with SF1 guidance. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see this tractor in action on a demo or have any questions, do drop us an email at sales@farol.co.uk.